Okay, so our material today, Unit 2, Sports Star Going Vegan. So this is for our material today. So now let's move to here. We have warm up, pemanasan. So look at these pictures and describe what you see. Why do you think some people choose a plant-based diet? What plants do you eat? So here we have four pictures. So now here, look at these pictures and describe what you see. Okay, so now who wants to try to describe these pictures? Ada yang mau mencoba untuk mendeskripsikan foto ini nggak? Or Grace, you can try number one and number two, and Aska, you can try with the picture number three and four ya. Jadi Aska picture number three and four, Aska foto nomor tiga atau empat, dan Grace bisa menjelaskan picture number one or number two. Oke, only one ya, boleh. Mau yang mana nih? So we have picture one, two, three, four. Okay, picture one is like art. Okay, Grace, you wanna try?
No, I don't know about this picture.
Okay, so what can you see here? Menurut kamu, kamu ngeliat foto apa nih?
Picture one, it's what? Batu atau bumi ini?
That is art, and then all people give to young people gitu ya.
Oh, ya.
All people, as you can see here, all people gives art to young people gitu ya. And then how about the picture number two, Grace?
Hewan, animal.
Hewan, animal, that is cow ya.
Oh ya.
Okay, all right. Good job, Grace. Thank you, Grace. Okay, how about Aska? You want to try this part, Aska?
Uh, Maybe number three, it apa ya? Apa ya? Vegetables.
A woman eats vegetables.
Vegetables itu ya? Iya.
Okay, so this is a woman eats plant-based ya. Makanan dari tumbuh-tumbuhan ya.
Uh,
Okay, so then how about the picture number four menurut Aska ini?
Apa ya? Dry land.
Okay, dry land. So this cracked land ya. So because of climate change ya, perubahan
Uh,
iklim cuaca gitu ya.
ya.
Okay, all right, nice try, Aska. Good job. Okay, thank you very much for trying this part. So here we have four pictures. So here. So now I want to ask you, what plants do you eat? Kalian makan tumbuhan apa nih? Okay, Grace, what kind of plants do you eat?
Apa? Nggak dengar.
What kind of plants do you eat? Kamu makan tanaman apa nih?
Tanaman.
Iya, kayak sayuran kan juga tanaman kan? Mungkin
Ya.
apa nih? Atau jangan makan bunga juga. Apa?
Enggak. Buah-buah.
Buah-buahan juga
Buah-buahan.
tanaman kan? Apa nih?
Ya buah-buahan. Kayak,
Buah-buahan.
ya.
So what is your favorite one?
Semangka, watermelon.
Semangka, watermelon. How about the plants like vegetables?
Apa? Ya, vegetables.
Vegetables. How about sayuran?
Eh, nggak suka.
Oh, you don't like vegetables ya? Any vegetables? Semua sayuran?
Suka tapi nggak suka.
Oh, suka tapi nggak suka ya. So you kayak dipaksa untuk memakannya ya.
Ya,
Okay. All right. Good job. Thank you very much, Grace, for sharing your opinion. Okay, then Aska, what kind of plants do you eat?
Uh,
Apa
Carrot.
nih,
Carrot
Aska?
masuknya apa? Carrot.
Carrot ya, carrot
Carrot.
tumbuhan ya, carrot, and then
Carrot. And carrot.
apalagi nih?
Udah.
Carrot. So your favorite one is carrot.
Ya. Just,
How
just
about
carrot.
just carrot? How
Uh,
about your favorite vegan food?
Vegan.
Mhm. So plant-based. Jadi makanan apa aja nih yang berbasis dari tumbuhan?
Hah?
Do you get the point? Paham nggak kira-kira?
olahan.
Olahan, contohnya kayak tempe. Nah, tempe kan dari kedelai. Nah, itu
Um,
pure from plant-based ya, karena dari kedelai. Something like that.
ya itu, ya tempe.
Tempe. So, your
Ya,
favorite one kira-kira apa selain tempe?
tempe aja.
Any others?
No,
No, so carrot and tempe ya, your favorite one.
ya, ya,
Okay, alright. Okay, good job, Aska. That's all?
betul.
Okay, thank you very much, Aska. So this is for the picture here. So we have one, two, three, four pictures, and then the question, what plants do you eat? Okay, now we will continue the next year. So here we will have write down everything you ate yesterday and make to list plant-based and animal products. So now here, I want you to mention the food that you have eaten yesterday, yang udah kamu makan kemarin nih, you had eaten yesterday. So make list plant-based product and animal products. Jadi di sini, for the example here, yesterday, aku makan apa ya kemarin? Yesterday I ate tofu, and then I ate instant noodle, instant noodle, instant noodle ya, instant noodle, and then, oh no, not instant noodle, and then I ate chicken, and then milk. So that is what that was that were what I ate. Jadi itu yang saya makan kemarin. And then please make the list here for the example. Yesterday I ate based on the plant-based. I ate kemarin saya makan something like tofu and then noodle. So this is tofu and noodle. So for animal product, I ate I ate chicken and then milk. So this is for animal product. So now Grace and Aska, please make list about food that you have eaten yesterday. Plant-based products and animal products. Do you get the question? Paham nggak kira-kira?
Paham.
Okay, so now I will give you time around 1 minute. 1 menit nih to make.
Langsung aja aku.
You want to
Ay,
try, Grace?
saya.
Okay, please.
I ate plant-based product yesterday itu tofu dan tempe.
Tofu and tempe. Only that?
Ya, ya.
Okay,
Eh,
how about the animal product?
produk itu apa udangnya?
Animal
Udang
product?
apa?
Udang, jadi shrimp ya?
Udang.
Shrimp
Shrimp and egg. Telur.
and egg. Oke, jadi makan
Hmm,
udang dan telur ya?
ya.
Oke, oke. Actually, I miss both. Okay, so what is your favorite animal product, Grace?
Chicken.
Chicken. So, paling suka telur, ayam ya?
Ya,
Alright, that's so delicious. Okay,
ya.
that's all, Grace.
That's all, Kak.
Alright, thank you very much, Grace, for trying this one. Okay, then after Grace, Aska, you want to try Aska?
Ya, Mas Roy.
So, plant-based. What was
Oh,
you eat?
eh, tempe.
Tempe.
Eh,
Any others?
no.
Cuma makan tempe?
Ya,
Okay, how about the animal products?
product I eat chicken strip,
Chicken strip,
uh,
and then
chicken nugget,
chicken nugget,
chicken wings,
chicken wing. Wow, that's a lot. Chicken wing,
and sausage.
sausage.
Ya,
So this is for animal product ya. Makan
ya.
chicken strip, chicken nugget, chicken wings, and sausage. Okay, which one is your favorite one, Aska?
Chicken strip and chicken wings.
Chicken wings and chicken strip. That is your favorite part of chicken ya?
Ya,
Okay, that's a good answer, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska. So that is about this list about plant-based products and animal products. Okay, good job. Thank you very much, everyone, for trying this part. Okay, now we will continue to the next year. So as usual, we have focus on vocabulary. So here we have two section. So we will choose the second section. Karena kemarin udah first section, now we will have second section. So this one, I want you to match the vocabulary, the words, into the definition. So you can choose championship, truly, cruelty, appearance, and carbohydrate. So now I want you to match with the definition. Oke, who wants to try it first? Ada yang mau coba duluan di sini?
I'm gonna try.
Oke, Grace, you want to try which one?
Number 5.
Number
Carbohydrate.
5, car carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. Okay.
Oke,
This
carbohydrate.
definition, this definition of D.
Carbohydrate. The definition is
D.
D. Okay, please read the sentence.
A substance that your body needs that is found in bread, rice, and pasta.
Okay, a substance that your body needs that is found in bread, rice, and pasta. Jadi zat gizi yang dibutuhkan oleh tubuh kamu yang ditemukan di roti, nasi, dan juga pasta. Okay, good job, Grace. That is correct. Okay, any others? Okay, Aska, you wanna try Aska?
Try number
Okay,
one.
which one? Number 1,
Championship
championship. With,
with C.
sorry,
C.
C. Okay, please read the sentence.
A, a competition to find the best player or team in a specific sport.
Okay, championship. The answer is C. A competition to find the best player or team in a specific sport. Sebuah kompetisi untuk menemukan pemain terbaik atau tim terbaik di olahraga tertentu. Okay, that is correct, Aska. Good job. Okay, then we have three left. Tinggal tiga nih. Truly,
Hmm.
cruelty, and appearance. Grace, you wanna try?
Number 3.
Okay, number 3, please. Cruelty.
Definition E of E.
E. Okay, please read the
E.
sentence.
A behavior that causes physical or mental pain to others.
Okay, cruelty. The answer is behavior that causes physical or mental pain to others. Jadi suatu tindakan yang menyebabkan sakit fisik atau mental untuk yang lainnya. Cruelty. The answer is E. Okay, that's correct. Okay, now we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. Truly and appearance. Okay, Aska, you wanna try?
Number two.
Number 2. Okay, please.
Used to emphasize that a statement or feeling is sincere or real.
Okay, so number 2, the answer is A. Okay, benar banget. It's truly used to emphasize that a statement or feeling is sincere or real. Okay, the answer is correct. Thank you very much, Aska. Okay, now we have one left. Appearance.
Yeah,
Okay, please.
B.
B.
The,
Okay, please read the sentence.
apa gimana bacanya nggak tahu asli.
The act.
The act of appearing in public as a performer or sport person. Ya Allah.
Okay, the act of appearing in public as a performer or sports person. Okay, that is appearance. The answer is correct. Benar banget. Okay, thank you very much everyone for trying this part. That is correct. Okay, so now here we will continue to the next with this vocabulary dengan vocabulary with the word that we have make here. So now I want you to fill into this sentence so that we have 5 option. Kita udah punya 5 opsi nih. championship, truly, cruelty, appearance, and carbohydrate. So now I want you to fill in this part. So now it feels free to choose. You have to find 5 sentences that will be filled with these words. Okay, so now who wants to try it first?
I
Okay, Grace, you wanna try?
yeah, let's try number seven. Ada di seven.
Number seven.
This
Okay, please.
answer karbohidrat. Itulah.
Carbohydrate, ya.
Karbohidrat. Yeah.
Okay, so number seven. Okay, please read the sentence.
I think I ate too many carbohydrate things like chips and bread and pasta.
Okay, the answer is carbohydrate for this part. I think I eat too many carbohydrate things like chips and bread and pasta. Aku pikir aku terlalu makan banyak karbohidrat seperti chips, keripik, dan juga roti dan juga pasta. Okay, that is correct answer, Grace. Okay, next. We have 4 left, tinggal 4 nih. Oke, siapa lagi nih? Aska, you wanna try Aska?
Number 10.
Number 10. Okay, please.
Championship.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Championship.
Championship. Okay, please read the sentence.
She has to play much better if she wants to the win championship at the end of the year.
Okay, so the answer is championship. Okay, benar banget nih. The answer is championship. Okay, now let me write this down here. So the answer is championship. She has to play much better if she wants to win the championship. Okay, ketutup, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Championship at the end of the year. Dia harus bermain lebih baik jika dia ingin memenangkan perlombaan di akhir tahun. Okay, the answer is championship. Okay, and then we have 3 left. Tinggal 2 nih. Tinggal 3 nih. Okay, who wants to try? We have 3 left. Truly, cruelty, and appearance. Oke, siapa nih yang mau coba?
Okay, I have question.
Oke, please.
Judul arti the meaning of judul kita apa?
Title?
The meaning, title, the meaning. Apa ya?
Title, the meaning is judul.
Iya ya. Apa? Oh, maksudnya
Ah,
eh
gimana?
tadi apa tema kita kan
Oh,
apa
Sports
ya?
Stars Going Vegan kan?
Nah, ya artinya.
Sports Stars Going
Hmm,
Vegan. Atau bisa diartikan dengan apa nih? Kira-kira tahu nggak Grace artinya? Sports
tinggal
Stars, bintang olahraga atau kayak artis olahraga menjadi vegan. Do you get the point?
vegan apa ya? Oh, ya, oke oke.
Okay,
Oke
so that is for.
oke,
Oke,
thank you. Thank you, thank you.
oke. Vegan bisa diartikan vegan juga ya. Oke, so who wants to try next? We have 3 left, tinggal 3 nih. Truly, cruelty,
Try
and
uh,
appearance. Oke, Aska,
number 3.
number 3. Okay, please.
Truly.
Truly, are you sure?
Eh, uh,
Number 3 kan, nomor 3 kan?
uh,
Number 3. Kurang tepat nih kalau truly.
uh,
Deciding to eat less meat is one of the best things you can do if you want to stop animal. Apa nih? Kalau truly kan artinya benar-benar atau sungguh-sungguh. Di sini ada truly, cruelty, and appearance. Kira-kira yang mana nih, Haska?
Quality.
Cruelty.
Quality.
Okay, that's correct. Cruelty. Okay, please read the sentence.
Deciding to eat Less meat is one of the best things you can do if you want to stop animal cruelty.
Okay, deciding to eat less meat is one of the best things you can do if you want to stop animal cruelty. Jadi, memutuskan untuk memakan sedikit daging adalah salah satu hal yang dapat kamu terbaik yang dapat kamu lakukan jika kamu ingin berhenti menghen jika berhenti animal cruelty atau kejahatan terhadap hewan. Oke, the answer is cruelty. Oke, so we have two left, tinggal dua nih. We have two left, tinggal dua nih. So who wants to try? Tinggal dua. We have two left.
Kayak aku izin break bentar aja. Dipanggil
Oke,
soalnya.
oke,
Break.
Grace.
Oke.
Okay, take your time. Okay, so Aska, you wanna try truly or appearance?
I wanna try number wait, 9.
Number nine. Oke, number nine nggak ada ya?
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada.
Oh, number 5 deh.
Number five.
Uh,
Okay, please.
truly.
Okay, correct. Truly. Okay, please read the sentence.
Okay, if you truly want to do something for the environment, you could try eating food that is grown in your local area.
Okay, the answer is truly. Okay, that is correct. Truly. So, jika kamu sungguh-sungguh ingin melakukan sesuatu untuk lingkungan kamu, you could try to eating food that is grown in your local area. Kamu harus mencoba untuk makan makanan yang tumbuh atau ada di local area atau di daerahmu sendiri. Okay, the answer is truly. Okay, good job, Aska. Okay, the last one here, appearance. You wanna try, Aska?
Maybe a friends, a praise, apa sih? A presence.
For number berapa?
6.
Okay, correct. Please read the sentence.
Okay. The crowd chats and shouts as he runs on the pitch field to make his 1,000 presence for the team.
Okay, the answer is appearance. Correct, benar banget nih. So the last one here, appearance. So now let me fill here. So the crowd chants and shouts as he runs on the pitch field to make his one 100th appearance for the teams. Oke, the answer is correct. Penonton berteriak, penonton bersorak dan berteriak ketika dia melakukan running, berlari di pitch field to make his untuk membuat pertunjukannya, penampilannya ke 100 untuk timnya. Oke, that is for number six. Oke, thank you very much Aska and Grace for trying this part. Oke, from here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak Aska atau Grace?
No.
No, alright. Thank you very much for trying this part. Okay, now we will continue to the next. We will have. Hmm. So here, listening. Okay, January. So now here, as you can see here, menurut Aska ini gambar apa nih? Can you guess what is the picture?
Uh, wait, tanggal, bulan, month.
A month, yeah, a month
Uh,
in year. Jadi bulan-bulan di setahun ya. Oke, Aska, can you try to mention in the correct pronunciation?
huh?
Bisa dibaca biar sesuai dengan pronunciationnya, cara bacanya.
Waduh,
Suaranya Aska kecil banget nih, bisa agak kenceng nggak?
Oke, berarti
Can you try it?
nyebutin satu-satu ya.
Yeah, you can read in
Oh iya.
English.
Oke. January,
Mhm.
February,
Okay.
March,
Okay.
April,
Mm-hmm.
May,
May,
June,
June,
July,
July,
August. Okay,
August,
August.
yeah. August.
August,
August, and then
September, uh,
September.
September, uh,
Mm-hmm.
October,
October,
November,
November,
December.
December. Okay, that is correct, Aska. Okay, one more time, Aska.
Uh, uh,
Sekali lagi.
okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, Agustus, September,
August ya.
August, September, October, November, December.
December. Okay, good job, Aska. Okay, do you have a question, Aska?
No.
No. All right. Thank you very much, Aska, for trying this part. This is for months. Okay, Grace, are you here? Udah kembali belum, Grace?
Yeah.
Okay, Grace, can you try to mention this one?
Okay.
Okay, please.
Maksudnya,
Read the
maksudnya,
January until the December. Only
hmm,
read the months.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, you can
Maksudnya,
say August, yeah.
August,
August, and then December.
December.
That is D, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a question, Grace?
No.
No, so it is August. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the last December. Okay, from here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira? Grace, do you have a
No.
question? No. Okay, so that is for this part. Okay, thank you very much for trying this part. Okay, then we will have here. So, you are going to watch a video about Veganuary. 5 celebrities give their top tips for going vegan for Veganuary. So now listen to each tip and complete each sentence with one word that you hear in the video. Jadi di sini nanti akan di play 5 videos and you have to fill this option. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ada 5 nih. And then I want you to fill which is better, which is correct. Okay, now I will start from the first one.
If anyone out there is thinking about doing veganuary, then do your homework. Look into what veganism is about. And honestly, it's not as hard as you think. It's pretty easy and there's lots of choices in the supermarket at the moment. So go for gold, good luck. And if you mess up, don't worry about it, just start again.
If you're going vegan for the first time, try to understand that there are many things around you that are already vegan in your local supermarkets. They may not have the vegan label on them, but they are vegan by default, and they're everywhere. So check them out. And if you're going to start cooking at home, just think, to be vegan, you don't have to do more, you do less. Take good ingredients and add wonderful herbs and spices, and that's it. It really is about less, not more, and you'll be doing so much for the planet and yourselves. Peace.
Welcome to Veganuary. It's exciting. Don't freak out. There's nothing to be scared of. The water's warm in here. here are a few tips that I found that will be helpful in living your best plant-powered life. The first thing is, this is not about deprivation. Treat it like a fun adventure. It's also not about perfection. It's about incremental progress over time.
Food should be fun, and it should be a natural, organic process. So just begin by including more plants on your plate. Make it easy, be creative, be spontaneous, and use what inspires you, what's local, what's fresh. You can't make a mistake. Go for it.
My vegan tip would be to use the internet. So there are so many apps now, such as Happy Cow, that will let you find your nearest vegan restaurant, or even non-vegan restaurants that have got really, really good options. So we use Google Translate a lot as well. So if we are on holiday or away for a weekend, we can put in a few key phrases such as "I'm vegan and I don't eat eggs or cheese or meat," and we can show it to staff in restaurants, and it just helps overcome that language barrier. And everybody is always so accommodating for us.
One thing I wish I knew when I first went vegan is that it's actually not as hard as you think it might be. Cooking with vegetables is really easy and it can be very simple, so don't be scared, it's not as daunting as it seems.
Okay, so this is about 5 celebrities that gives their top tips about vegan for Veganuary. Okay, do you get the answer? Dapat jawabannya nggak?
Enggak, aku ngalah. Enggak bisa.
You
Kecepatan.
don't get kecepatan ya berarti.
Ya,
Okay, how about Aska? Do you get the question, Aska? Did you get the answer?
Apa ya?
Or you want to try
I don't
one
know.
more? Gimana?
Okay, maybe number 1 restaurant.
The answer is apa?
There are vegan option in the restaurant.
In a restaurant? Okay,
Oh,
that is incorrect ya. Okay, one more time ya. Sekali lagi ya. Kita listening. It's okay?
okay.
Okay, one more time. I will set like the playback speed will be 0,75 ya. Okay, now we will start from the first from Matt Picture. Oh, terlalu kenceng nggak? Nggak ya, audionya it's fine.
ya.
Okay, so now I will playback into 0.75.
If anyone out there is thinking about doing veganuary, then do your homework. Look into what veganism is about. And honestly, it's not as hard as you think. It's pretty easy, and there's lots of choices in the supermarket at the moment. So go for gold, good luck. And if you mess up, don't worry about it, just start again.
So that is for number 1. Do you get the answer? Ada yang tahu jawabannya nggak? Okay, Grace, Aska, do you get the answer?
Kalau aku enggak skip, ngalah aku.
Enggak ya. Okay, how about Aska? Do you get the answer?
I don't know, Kev.
I don't know. Okay, tadi jawabannya adalah supermarket ya. There are lots of vegan options in the supermarket right now. The answer is supermarket. Okay, so that is for number 1. Okay, now we will continue to the next.
If you're going vegan for the first time, try to understand that there are many things around you that are already vegan in your local supermarkets. They may not have the vegan label on them, but they are vegan by default and they're everywhere. So check them out. And if you're going to start cooking at home, just think, to be vegan, you don't have to do more, you do less. Take good ingredients and add wonderful herbs and spices. And that's it. It really is about less, not more. And you'll be doing so much for the planet and yourselves. Peace.
Okay, so that is for number 2. Do you get the answer? Dapat nggak jawabannya kira-kira? If
Maybe
you
first.
if you go vegan, it will be good for your health and for our gimana Ska? Okay, so as can you can hear this part ya, tadi ada kedengaran nih.
About less, not more. And you'll be doing so much for the planet and yourselves.
yourself. So this is for planet ya, and health for your health and for our planet. Okay, so that is planet ya. So this is for the answer number 2. Okay, now we will continue to the number 3. Let's move to the number 3 nih.
Welcome to Veganuary. It's exciting. Don't freak out. There's nothing to be scared of. The water's warm in here. Here are a few tips that I found that will be helpful in living your best plant-powered life. The first thing is, this is not about deprivation. Treat it like a fun adventure. It's also not about perfection. It's about incremental progress over time.
Food should be fun and it should be a natural, organic process. So just begin by including more plants on your plate. Make it easy, be creative, be spontaneous, and use what inspires you, what's local, what's fresh. You can't make a mistake. Go for it.
Okay, so that is for number 3. Kira-kira do you get the answer? Dapat nggak jawabannya? At first, you just need to get more blah 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 in front of you. Kira-kira dapat nggak?
No.
No. Okay, how about Aska?
Plan.
Sorry?
Plan.
Plan. Okay, the answer is plants. Benar banget nih. Jawabannya adalah plants. At the first, you just need get more plants in front of you. Jadi hanya pertama-tama kamu butuh tanaman atau tumbuhan di depan kamu. Okay, the answer is plants. Okay, good job. Okay, then we will continue to the number 4.
My vegan tip would be to use the internet. So there are so many apps now, such as Happy Cow, that will let you find your nearest vegan restaurant, or even non-vegan restaurants that have got really, really good options. So we use Google Translate a lot as well. So if we are on holiday or away for a weekend, we can put in a few key phrases such as I'm vegan and I don't eat eggs or cheese or meat. And we can show it to staff in restaurants, and it just helps overcome that language barrier. And everybody is always so accommodating for us.
Okay, so that is for number 4. If you go away on holiday or vacation, it's important to know a few important apa nih kira-kira? Okay, Grace, Aska, do you get the answer? Tahu nggak nih kira-kira jawabannya apa? Gimana, Aska?
I don't know, Pep.
Nggak tahu ya. How about Grace? Do you get the answer, Grace?
No.
No, okay. So that is a little bit hard ya, agak sedikit susah ya. Jadi if you go away on holiday, it's important to know a few important phrase ya, atau phrase. So here the answer is phrases. Jadi perlu untuk mengetahui beberapa kata-kata penting. So that is for number 4. Okay, we have the last one here, number 5.
One thing I wish I knew when I first went vegan is that it's actually not as hard as you think it might be. Cooking with vegetables is really easy and it can be very simple, so don't be scared. It's not as daunting as it seems.
Okay, so this is short one. Number 5, kira-kira jawabannya apa nih?
Cooking.
Oke, benar banget. The answer is cooking. Don't forget that. Cooking is not that difficult. The answer is cooking. Okay, that is correct answer. Good job. So from here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira?
No.
No?
Oh,
Okay, alright. Thank you very much for trying this one. Okay, I think that is too difficult. Kemudian terlalu susah nggak itu tadi?
Yeah.
Iya ya. Oke, mungkin agak terlalu susah ya karena logatnya, the accents berbeda-beda. Alright, so now we will continue to the next ya. Kita akan melanjutkan ke selanjutnya. Mungkin kalau ini agak kesulitan ya. Oke, then I want you to try this part. Okay, so this part here, look at this sentence. So now I want you to choose based on the bold one, the bold words here. I want you to mention the definition here. There are two options. Ada dua opsi nih. So you have to choose which one is correct. Salah satunya yang benar yang mana nih kira-kira? Because here we have 1 until 7. Ada 7 nih. So the first one here, have we got any fresh herbs in the garden that we can add to this tomato salad? So herbs, the meaning is herbs, kira-kira apa nih? The green leafy part of a plant that is used to add taste to food, or a powder or seed from plant that has a strong taste or smell which we use when cooking. Oke, kira-kira the answer apa nih kira-kira? Number 1, who wants to try?
I.
Okay, please.
A. Is answer
A.
A.
Okay, please read the sentence.
The green. Yang mana? A-nya atau number 1?
Number 1 and then A.
Oh. Have you got any ya Allah, fresh herbs in the garden that we can add to this tomato salad? This answer A, the green leaf part of a plant that is used to add taste to food. Ya Allah.
Okay, so the answer is A, correct. The green leafy parts of a plant that is used to add taste to food. All right, good job, guys. The answer is correct. Okay, then let's move to the number 2. In the number 2 here, we have we got any spices in the cupboard that I can add to this soup I'm making? So there are two options, A or B. So if you want to try, you can raise your hand. Oke, kira-kira siapa nih yang mau coba number 2?
try
Okay, Aska, please.
A.
Okay, so number 2, the answer is A. Okay, please read the sentence.
A powder or seed from a plant that has a strong taste or smell which we use when cooking.
Okay, the answer is A, a powder or seed from a plant that has a strong taste or smell which we use when cooking. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, correct, Aska. Good job. Okay, then we have number 3. I always try to buy organic food because I think it's healthier. Okay, Grace, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, please.
Answer B. B.
B. Okay, please read this part.
Product without using chemicals. Itu ya,
Produce
product
without using chemical ya.
chemicals. Ya.
Okay. The answer is B. Bener banget. I always try to buy organic food because I think it's healthier. The answer is B. Produce without using chemicals. Alright, good job, Grace. Okay, then we have number 4. Number 4 is eating this amazing vegan food has inspired me to start cooking more vegan dishes myself. So here we have two options. Which one is correct? Apa nih kira-kira? Aska, you want to try?
Yeah. A.
The answer is A. Okay, please.
To give someone the confidence or motivation to do something.
Oke, inspired the meaning is A. Untuk memberi seorang kepercayaan diri atau motivasi untuk melakukan sesuatu. Oke, that is correct, Aska. Good job. Thank you very much, Aska. Next, we have number 5, 6, 7. Number 5, please. I wanted to eat meat many times during Veganuary, but I overcame this challenge and managed to complete the month without meat. Oke, siapa nih yang mau coba? Overcame. The meaning is apa nih kira-kira? A or B?
Uh, B.
B. Okay, Aska, please read this one.
Apa? To success in doing something despite to some problem being in the way.
Okay, to succeed in doing something despite some problems being in the way. The answer is B. Okay, number 5, the answer is B. Correct. Okay, thank you very much, Aska. Okay, then we have number 6. Nomor 6 nih. Be creative, be spontaneous, and use what inspires you. What's local, what's fresh. You can make a mistake, go for it. So now, wants to try this part?
A.
Okay, Grace, please.
B. Is answer B.
B. Okay, please read this one.
Done in a natural way without any pain or without being forced.
Okay, done in a natural way without any planning or without being forced. Oke, jadi dilakukan secara natural tanpa ada rencana atau tanpa paksaan. Oke, the answer is B. Okay, that is correct. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, the last one here. Want to try? Speaking English abroad can often help with the language barrier, even if English is our second language. Okay, the last one here.
I.
Okay, Grace, you want to try?
Yeah. Is this answer A?
The answer is A. Okay, please read this one.
A problem that prevents someone from doing something.
Okay, a problem that prevents someone from doing something. Jadi satu masalah yang prevent mencegah seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. Okay, the answer is A. Alright, thank you very much for trying this one, everyone. Okay, so from here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira dari sini? Nggak ada ya kira-kira? No.
Mm,
No. Okay, thank you very much for trying this part. Okay, so now here, I want you to try this one. So now here, I want to try to find this one. We have 4 questions here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 4, we have 4 questions. So now I want Chris and Aska to find the answer. Yes, you can search in internet. Bebas cari di internet juga boleh nih. So we have 4 questions. Number 1, what is Veganuary and when does it take place? And number 2, what do participants have to do? And number 3, why is Veganuary a good idea? And number 4, why have you decided to take part in Veganuary? So here we have 4 questions, and then I want you to answer these questions. Okay, so you have to find the answer. You can search it on internet ya, bisa dicari di internet. Okay, then I will give you time around 5 minutes. Oke, diberi waktu 5 menit ya untuk mencari jawabannya. Okay, now you can try. Okay, do you get uh the apa? Do you get the question? Paham pertanyaannya?
Eh, vegan Veganuary itu apa?
Veganuary, jadi itu suatu gerakan. So you can search it on the internet ya. Jadi kamu bisa cari di internet kira-kira what is Veganuary. Jadi suatu gerakan apa nih Veganuary? And where does it take place? Dan ini kapan nih terjadi kayak gitu? Do you get the
Oh,
answer? Paham?
ya.
Okay, so you have to write down, ditulis, and then you have to deliver the answer, or you can present the answer. Jadi nanti kita akan ada sesi presentasi tentang empat-empatnya ini. Okay, Aska, Grace, do you get the order?
Bentuk puisi ya? Atau gimana?
Gimana maksudnya, Grace?
Satu-satu pertanyaan atau digabungin?
Satu-satu aja. Jadi number one apa, number two apa, number three apa, number four apa gitu ya.
Oh, oke.
Okay, Grace. Okay, Aska, do you get the order?
Yeah.
Okay, please, I will give you time around 5 minutes. Ada waktu 5 menit nih untuk mencoba untuk menjawab ini. Mungkin nggak sampai 5 menit ya, udah selesai. Oke, time is yours, silahkan. Oke, have you done everyone? Udah selesai belum kira-kira? If you have, kalau udah selesai, you can present your answer.
Eh, oh,
Have you done, Grace?
ya.
Okay, so now, please, Grace, silahkan.
Okay, number one. What is Veganuary and when does it take place? My answer, Veganuary is an activity to try vegan diet during the month of January. And number two, what do participants have to do? And
Participants,
particip ulang
party, participant.
participants
Mhm.
so participants have apa ya? Have to stop eating all foods. And number three, why is vegan very good idea? Because my answer, vegan is a good idea because it can make our bodies health and
Healthy ya.
healthy. And number
Oke.
four, why have you decided to take part in Veganuary? My answer, I joined because I want to try new lifestyle maybe.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's all, Kak.
Okay, so from here I have a question. So why do participants have to do? Tadi Grace bilang the participants have to stop eating ya.
Mm-mm.
So eating everything or what kind of food?
Everything maybe? Bukan
Everything.
everything.
Wow. Nggak makan apa-apa dong berarti.
Animals doang. Maybe
Animals
animals.
ya. So product from meat, fish, or animals ya dari olahan dan keturunan-turunan dari animals ya.
Ya, Kak.
Okay, so there is answer from Grace. That's all, Grace?
That's all, Kak.
All right. Okay, good job. So you have to try new lifestyle. Okay, thank you very much, Grace, for trying this one.
Ya, Kak.
Okay, so this from Grace. Okay, now Aska, you wanna try Aska?
Okay. Number
Okay,
one,
please.
what is Veganuary and when does it take place? Veganuary is a campaign uh, that encourage people to try a plant-based diet, diet,
Diet.
diet during the month of January.
During the month of January. Okay.
Yeah. Number two, what do participants have to do? Participants must commit to eat only plant-based food, only for the month of January.
Okay. And then?
And number three, why is Veganuary a good idea? Veganuary is a great idea because it helps people to learn about vegan diets.
Okay, that's good answer. And the last?
Or why have you decided to take part in Veganuary? Because I want to try a new diet and improve my health.
Oh, you want to improve your health, yeah?
Yeah,
Your health, yeah. Okay. So you want to improve your health. So, okay, that's a great answer, Aska. That's all, Aska?
that's all.
Okay, that's clear enough for number one until number four. Okay, that's good idea. All right. Okay, good job. Thank you very much, Chris and Aska, for trying these four questions. So, from here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira?
No,
No? How about Grace? Do you have a question, Grace? No. Okay. Okay, because the time is up now is sudah jam 21.36 ya. Sudah larut malam. Okay. Okay, thank you very much everyone for joining this class today.